Hi dear crocheters, our today's video tutorial will be on how to make a slip note. I'm gonna show you 3 ways on how to make a slip note. So let me show you. The first one, the second one, repeat it. The third one, I'm gonna repeat it. So this is the 3 ways on how to make a slip note. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumb up and hit the bell, the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.